battery. Might come in handy. Could use this for something. Maybe that old radio? A statue. Looks old. Wait, there's a small hole here. Wonder what fits in there. An ID card? Why was this hidden book? Might be important. A generator. This could be useful. Of course, no fuel. Guess I'll have to find some. Alright, battery's in. Let's see if this thing actually works.
If you want to stay alive, you need to hurry. Get out of the house as fast as you can.
What? What the hell is going on? Just a regular mug. Wait, what's this? A number? 910. Could this mean something? A fuel tank. Feels like there's still some left. Might come in handy. Whoa. That's not good. It's way too dangerous to go in there. I need to find a way to put this fire out. Maybe I can use this somewhere. Nothing. Looks like there's no power. Guess I need to fix that first. Yes, it's working. Let's hope it stays that way. A valve. Maybe this can help me get rid of that fire. A red gem looks valuable. Wonder what this is for. Doesn't seem like just a decoration. Alright, let's see if this does anything. Whoa, something's moving. A hidden box. Now this is interesting. A key? Wonder what this unlocks. Let's see what's inside.